Good morning, guys. It is a Friday morning here, and slept last night. Finally, the fourth mapping. She have instead of 11, she have 10 alive. So I feel sorry to the other one, because when she go out, she already did not breathe, so I did not save that. And anyhow, we have plenty. That's 10. So that's plenty piglets. 5 female and 5 male. So now Philip's still sleeping. It is 6 o'clock in the morning here, and he was sleepless last night too, because Philip have a toothache again. So me and Ondoy last night, every 2 hours. Actually, the ma finish labor around 1 o'clock too. So after that, I woke up every hour, so I can give the young one to the ma. And I'm gonna go down there again, so you can see the piglet. And I have something to show you too. Let's go there. I'm coming there. And I have a hammock there. That's a nice hammock. Have a net. So he's sleeping there, next to the pig house, just to listen and watch the piglet. So I would like to show you guys. We have another blessing again. A chicks here. I wanna let Ondoy pick that one, so we can transfer that to the chicken house, not here. So Ondoy is coming here. Ako sa gunit sa Ondoy. Ay, may palag ka na lang balde butang eh. Bitbita para sa yun. Kanina. So here's the young one here. Good morning, chick. The eyes. What? Bita doy. Ay sa. Sinay napil. Nibunhok. Here's the ma. I want to go. Guys, I wanna count this one. 9 chicks. 9 or 10. Yeah, 9. Okay, that's another blessing. So Ondoy will move that one there, and I'm going to show you here the piglets. So thank you, Ondoy, for helping me here. So let's check here, guys. The young one. Hello, little ones. They are so cute and healthy. Hello, little ones. They just have done sucking, having milk. So now they're sleeping. And then the mom, she has a lot of milks. So they are not, the piglets are not hungry because she have 16 teats and full of milk. I'm happy for that. So I have here 5 male and 5 female, and they already done. We cut last night. Every time they come out, we cut directly we trim the teeth and a little bit cut to the tail. So that's it, guys. They're so lovely, really. Very, very healthy. You should see that size. It's like 3 days old. And the room here is so nice. Covered. And they are not cold. So they can sleep properly. With a thick hay. Then I cover this one too. So there is no, especially in the morning here, it is a little bit cold. So they're okay now. They are not shaking. They sleep very good. And they are full too. You should see the size. Happy for that. Thank you, Mama. You can rest now, Mama. You did a good job, Mama. And you have a lot of milk too, Mama. Okay. Now I wanna cover this one, so they won't feel a chill. Okay. And if it will rain, they won't get wet too, because we put here a empty sack. I saw that one yesterday and split the sack, so it will be wider. So we don't need to buy a fancy tarp or yeah, a fancy tarp. So, and we don't need to buy here a what do you call this one? A net or a screen, because this is only a temporary here. So once they reach to 1 month and 2 weeks or 1 week, that's the time that I'm going to pull this one and sold it. So this is removable a room. So we just that side we stick that we nail that one, but here we did not nail. We just put a stick here inside here and then wrap with the barbed wires. You see the barbed wire there. So when after 3 days we will going to lift up the door here, a foot, the opening, so they can hide her, they can run her every time mom will get up and eat. So this is really a simple, easy a way, no costs, no not hassle, but it works. So this is our first young piglet, and it just so happened that we have another more blessing, the chicks, the native one, 9 pieces, and my piglet hair is 10. So supposed to be there will be 11, but we missed that one. I did not save it. So bye for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you like it. And before you go, please click the bottom bell, click the likes and subscribe, please, and of course put some comments too. So again, this is good for today, and I would like to say goodbye for now, and thank you so much for your time. Bye, guys. God bless us all, and take good care. Thank you. I'll be back later.